I just got from Wessex Blades, saying farewell now to 4 of these, which are Kellen neckers. It's been a real leatherwork marathon over the last couple of weeks. So I've used this opportunity to move forward with other areas within the making, so I can now get a laser engraved emblem on the smaller sheaths. So I've got this sort of Spartan warrior on there, and I've also sort of got a next step in getting edges up as well. So I've added a bit more time to the way that I achieve my slicked edges to improve the results of all the leather work really. But as I say, on the small ones I can now offer a little cute little laser engraved emblem, and these Kellens will be away tomorrow. I'll pack them for the rest of the day. That'll be it. I've got a few receipts worked out, so these will be packed up. Very cute little neckers. This was a trial batch in oak to basically see how the laser would contrast against a lighter middle sort of toned wood, and it worked out great. So it'll be the standard wood that I use lasering on, rather than, there's no point doing it on a dark wood because you just won't get any contrast between what has been lasered and what hasn't. And what I've done here, on the hand I've got 3 Spartan helmets, and there you go, Wessex Blades. So gives them a little bit of character on a cute little neck knife. They've got a little loop on the back to put a draw cord on, so you can wear it like that and then use it and then pop it back in. So it's meant to be worn like that. Obviously laser etched and engraved emblem forward. So thanks everybody for their patience. Big thanks to Patreon for supporting me. I've done a few videos this week. I've got one actual dedicated to Patreon, just to give it back, a little bit of a tips and tricks for them. Thanks everybody for joining me again, and let's get these away. And then moving forward, I got that going stateside very soon. Sweet. But yeah, it's been a bit of a leather work marathon. So, been very busy, and thanks for joining me again. It's got Wessex Blades out. So press on and press forward with even more work.